I'm Ben Doing. I'm the general manager of the Starlink Aviation PDK facility in Atlanta. Starlink is a high-speed internet platform really geared towards private and corporate aircraft. It really offers a seamless transition between your office and the aircraft. The install process is pretty straightforward. All consists of removing the interior, gaining access to the overhead, mounting all the equipment to hold the Starlink antenna itself, and integrating the power and grounds and avionics side of things. Downtime is no more than 15 days. We're going to be testing this Challenger 605 behind me today. We'll be going up to about 20,000 feet, doing a general check of the system, ensure the in-flight operation works, and run the speed test with Starlink so that we know that the speed is working, all the routers are up and running the way they should. We run all the equipment inside the aircraft, radios, comm, nav, all the avionics equipment to make sure there's no electromagnetic interference, that everything's working on par with, as it should, with industry standard and manufacturer standard. After an install, customers can expect a really high-speed internet service that'll go anywhere in the world that they go. The Starlink is a great choice for large cabin operators. It allows them to just seamlessly transition between their office and the air. You're never going to miss a call, you're never going to miss a trade, you're never going to miss a board meeting. Everything's going to happen right there in real time.